Hi, this is Marty again, and right now I'm doing another video on my hibiscus. I'm not sure which color it is. I have them in red, I have them in beige with red center. I have red with white version of it, and also another one out there which I can't locate at the moment. Mother Nature's taking advantage of me. But anyway, what I'm doing here is I'm cleaning out any of the weeds over the last couple of days, and what I have here is the remnants of the pot after I cleaned out all these little darling weeds, which tend to grow faster than plants themselves. So this is what I look like, and it's one of the cuttings from another hibiscus plant. And basically what I do is every once in a while I'll just take my little clipper and cut. Let me just show you over here so you can get an idea of where I'm cutting from. It's my hibiscus plants, and let me show you over here so you can get a better look at them. There they are, several hibiscus plants. There's sorted colors, like I said, beige with a red center, red, a double red. I got red with the white down on the other end over there, which we're not going to walk in, going to blow the hell out of you. But anyway, here we are. That's a Spanish plant. I'll get that in the video one day too, so let me just go right past all the rest of it. Here's my, I call it Dougherty, an intensive care unit. Take care of the plants for a couple of months while the season gets upon us so I can get into active growing. And there's all our little goodies that I enhance the soil with. And back to my little potting plant over here. Hibiscus. I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure the color. It could be a combination of one or two colors, but I usually try to put the same color in one pot so I'm not confused. And basically what I do is I take these little weeds out. Let me just throw them over here so you can see what they look like. And remove them, get them out, and center the pot again. When the color comes, when it produces its first flower, then I can put my label on. Right now I know they're hibiscus. And we have assorted hibiscus plants, variegated in the versions back there. And over time we'll collect a few more. Basically it's very easy. Down here in Florida there's hibiscus all over the place, except the fancy ones they sell in other parts of the country. But basically just take a little utility knife with you. You see a bush, and all you need is just 2-inch cutting from the new growth. Cut it, take a little few napkins which are damp, wrap it up. I do is put it in a plastic bag and I put it on. Then when I get home to the house, I pot them up. And then voila, I have new. I basically have about 10 different colors at one time, maybe even more. But this is just Marty showing you what they look like. And right now I have 3, 6, 7 hibiscus plants in that one. There's just one in this one. There's another one. So what I'll do is I'll house them up with a little more potting soil on the top. I'll make sure there's no more weeds growing in it. Weeds it's a half of life, whether you like it or not. They'll grow faster than plants. So what I do is I just sit there and pull them out, put them in the garbage, and wait for the flowers to bloom. So we literally have hundreds of plants here in the Dougherty garden, thanks to my friend Ruth, who was passed on, but she gave me the majority of the plants that I have here. So any questions, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be videotaping most of the plants that are growing in the Dougherty garden over the next few months. So stop by, take a look, see if there's something you like. Thank you. Bye-bye.